Alright y'all, back in another video. As y'all can see, here's my 2017 rmz250 supermoto conversion, or whatever you want to call it. Or I just call it SM for short. But as y'all can see in the title of this video, I'm upgrading it slash fixing it, and here are the parts or the stuff I got for it. It's kind of sort of like an unboxing video too. So yeah. So let me get kind of situated. I don't even have a knife to open it. I have a blade. I got probably, I don't know if it'll fit, but I got handlebar guards for like, really this is for like sport bikes, but I don't like how like the dirt bikes have the handlebar guards, and I'm not really off-roading this bike, at least right now, or at least yet. But yeah, I don't like how they look, so I just went to a shot. I just try to get these, see how they go. I'm not gonna be mad at if I fall or if I drop the bike and he break the first time, because these are cheap, and I can tell by the quality. But yeah, I'll show you the damage with my when I fell, when I tore my ACL, what the damage did to that, and everything. And I did do some upgrades to this, because I have been on the bike like probably like 5 times since I got hurt. So I'll tell y'all the upgrades I already did to, not upgrades, but like stuff that I did fix when I came back. Is it too much? See here, I got foot pegs, of course, again from eBay. I destroyed my right foot peg when I went down, so I got big foot pegs. These are they're looking kind of too big and uncomfortable. Not gonna lie, but we're gonna see how it goes, like shift locking and everything like that, and make sure it keeps my foot on the pegs. Well, this is already open. I'll just explain this. I'm gonna do this soon. Right now I don't have the funds to get this fixed, but I got funds to get the part. As you can see, it's All Balls Racing fork seals. So yeah, I got that. I'll get I'll get that fixed soon though, because it's leaking pretty bad. I got so I've been got this. I just want to add it because in case I get stuck out at night, I have light. But these are like the light kit that the bike came with, or when I got the whole tail light and the daytime running lights, I got that. It came with this, but I didn't like how they looked on the bike. But I'm just gonna put them on there, and it comes with also a switch, which has it's easy. Everything, I'll give y'all like a time lapse of everything, and me putting the stuff on. Yep, that's it right there. These two LED high performance lights are very, very, very bright. After that, as you can see, Galfer brake lines. I didn't really mess this up, but like it was like a safety hazard. Stainless steel brake lines, so I can get a better feel of the rear brake. I already have a stainless steel front. The bike comes stock like that. So yeah, so I can get a better feel. I don't get no brake fade or anything like that, because I think I was getting that towards like closer towards I started getting hurt. With the stainless steel brake line, I got Motul 600 or 660, whatever. They all are high end. So helps me with the brake fade. I don't have this in the front reservoir, but I will eventually get it in there. I just hate bleeding brakes, so yeah. So what I can tell you is what I did is I went back to a 44 tooth, just so I can be better on the highway, and I'm not really running high on the RPMs on this bike. God damn, keep it together, stay still. And yeah, so then also I did feel like it made me a lot better in the balance point, because it's not as choppy. Yeah, so as you can see, I'll show y'all now. As y'all can see, fork seals, I need that. So you already seen that in the other video. It didn't do no damage to this side of the bike. It really did damage to this side, so also you can see like my peg when I went down, it just bent the peg. It, as y'all can see, it bent the peg when I went down and everything. So that kind of got messed up. Also, as you can see, is my throttle. My throttle side, if you can focus, if it's like, I don't know, but it's kind of messed up on the throttle side, so I want to protect that. So I'm gonna put, if I can get the thing in there, if I can get in there, but as you can see, it's kind of messed up. Still works and everything. So yeah, so that's one the main things I messed up on the bike. I'm just gonna get to it, start working on it, cause I don't mind working on bikes, but sometimes I just want to ride. It's a good day outside. And there's other things I want to touch up on, like screw the horn into something and make sure that's mounted right and all that. Not really being in a rush, but being a rush. Other thing too, here's the baby over here. This baby's fine. Nothing wrong with that. I did have a problem with it, but it's a Suzuki problem. So I didn't want to make a whole rebuild or not rebuild a whole video on that on the bike. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm gonna do first. I'm probably gonna do the foot peg first, and it's probably gonna be the messed up side. So I'm about to give y'all a time lapse. So 3, 2, fuck it. Boom, got it. There you go. There you go. Just got it. Finished it. Put everything back together. And I'm gonna do the next side. So let me sit on to see how my foot feels compared to the other ones. Really no difference. Yeah, not really no different. Alright y'all, just finished. Well, y'all seen I finished that one. I just finished this one. Looks nice. It doesn't feel any different. It's just that like, I mean I gotta ride it for sure, but I gotta go to the store to get some pins, so I'll get that when I'm done everything else. I'm gonna attack these handlebars first, so yeah. Yeah, that's about tight. I guess I can go. I will go. It doesn't throw the bike off a little bit. Doesn't throw the, like, it's just weird because like you don't see that on sport bikes, but it's not ugly, should I say. It's just weird. Oh yeah, also too, I did add these mirrors too. Yeah, the mirrors, I think that's about it for now. Oh my goodness. So there you go. These are on. It looks kind of not weird, but it's different. Yeah, put the stainless steel brake line on. That's done. Peg's done. Yeah. Get all the tools together and everything. So I'm about to start this. Little quick time lapse for y'all. Once again. There we go. There. Oh my God! Ah! Oh, how do you do this? Bank. Bank. Oh my God. Bank. Bank.